So what's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So I picked up a metal L plate grip for my Sony ZV-1. So I picked this up again. I sold my other one, but I decided that this was the best camera that I needed for making YouTube videos. I went through several other cameras, man, and it was just a disaster. So I decided to go back to the Sony ZV-1. Adding some accessories that's needed for this device. If you don't know, when you have the Sony ZV-1 on a tripod and you need to get in and change out your SD card or your battery, you're not going to be able to do it because the tripod screws in right there and you can't open up the door to get anything out. So I went over to Amazon.com and I picked up this bracket here, handle bracket here. This is by a company called UURig store. This is the ZV-1 camera handle grip bracket. This supports vertical mode on it as well, as you guys see right there. And this is a vlogging accessory, it says. And you can hook up mics, field lights, and you have a cold shoe on there as well. So the price on it is going to be $29.95. Here are a few of the use cases here. As you guys see, they added a little light there. You can turn it horizontal or vertical. And yeah, so this is going to give me some extra grip as well, because Sony ZV-1 doesn't have a lot of grip right there. So this is something that I'm definitely going to need. As you guys see, they got a bunch of the quarter screw holes all over the place here. You got a cold shoe there. Radio hole, whatever that is. And yeah, so this is going to be nice for me. I would drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Let's go ahead and get into the box and check this out. Yeah, there's some plastic on there. Well, the knife is still holding on, guys. I said until it falls apart completely, I'm not going to change it. So it's hanging in there day by day, life support. All right, let's get this plastic off. Check this out. This video shouldn't be too long. This is just an accessory. In case you have the Sony ZV-1, you may already have something like this. When I had it before, I did not add this, and definitely was needed, because it's kind of frustrating when you have to unscrew it from your tripod and to get to your stuff. So in here, you're going to have a couple of screws, got an Allen wrench, and look like a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. And then here's the bottom plate here. And this is going to be your grip here. So here's your grip. It does have like a leather type feel to it. Didn't see any instructions on here. So it must be pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to take this bottom plate. It's going to go this way. This screw is going to go into where you normally mount your tripod there. Let's get the little wrench out here. So they give you a screwdriver. So I'm just going to go ahead, tighten this down like that. And then the grip, let's see, how does that go? Oh, it's going to go over here, and that's what the two screws are for. So this is a quick, fast way to put this on, and I can already tell you, now the Sony ZV-1 is a small camera, but this makes it a little bit bigger, and to me it makes it a little bit more easier to hold on to, because I've dropped this this camera a couple times already, and luckily it's pretty tough. It didn't sustain any damage, but here it is. And this way I don't have to keep taking it off the tripod when I want to get my change the battery out, because the battery is not that long lasting on here. As you guys see, now I can get in there very easily and get my SD card out, or the battery. Here's the battery. Just like this. Now my fingers are still a little big, but there it is. Putting everything back, the SD card. This is gonna be a whole lot better than what I was dealing with before. So here it is. So it has a nice grip, as you guys see. Very easy to grip it. This is the way it looks in the back. You got your cold shoe here. So now what I'll do is just move my tripod over this way, and I'll have plenty of room to get it out like that. And you can attach other things there. On this side, you got a couple of more screw areas here. Got a number on there. I don't know what that's for. You got some of the branding here. And the grip is nice, man. The grip has that nice leather look to it there. Does add some weight and some bulk. Now, I'm not sure what this is for, but it's a slot there. Does feel better in the hand. And there it is right there, the whole look. Kind of feel like a big boy camera now. But yeah, that's the Sony ZV-1 with the UURig on here. And I think this is gonna, make my experience with this device a whole lot better. It's definitely gonna be easier to get my SD card and battery out and change it out. So I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Very nice rig. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.